Hello and welcome to this overview of the Picture-in-Picture extension by Google. This is an extension for Google Chrome that you can find in the Chrome Web Store. The address is right here at the top of the screen, but I will also include it in the description of this video. So once you've installed this, and there would typically be an install button here, now it says remove from Chrome because I have already installed it, then you can go to your favorite video playing site, maybe YouTube. And maybe you're in the mood for some classic Abbott and Costello Who's On First. So I've got that video up and I can hit play, just like normal. But if I go up here to this puzzle piece icon, once the Picture-in-Picture extension is installed, then you select Picture-in-Picture extension, and it will take that video out of where it normally plays and put it over here. Now I can move this around the screen anywhere I want it. I can also resize it. I can make it teeny tiny. I can make it great big, whatever I like. And I can scroll down, so I could read the comments on this video while I'm watching it. So I could be watching Abbott and Costello, laughing along, while I look here and say, aha, here's what people had to say about this video. Here's some other videos I might want to watch when I'm done with this one. But here's where it gets even better. I can even leave YouTube. I can leave this site altogether, and maybe I've been inspired by this to want to see real baseball, oaklandathletics.com. And so I could read some articles here. I could click through. I could click on any links that I want. Maybe I get tired of Abbott and Costello. I can hit pause and I can read something. I could even watch a video here. And if I want to, I could even switch to a video here. So maybe I want to hear Mark Kotze's interview here, and I can open that up. I'm going to close this one. And now that I have that open, I can do the same thing. I can go to Picture-in-Picture, select that, and here is Mark Kotze's interview playing in this separate window. Now maybe baseball has inspired me to think, gee, I wonder if the game's going to get rained out. So I can come over here, maybe look at the National Weather Service site, look at the weather report for San Francisco. That's not right. We're looking at the Oakland A's here. So I will type in Oakland, and you can just type right along. There's nothing wrong with typing while you're in this Picture-in-Picture thing. So I have typed Oakland. Okay, I've misspelled it. That's a problem. And there's Oakland, California, and up it comes. So you can be as productive as you want to, or as distracted as you want to by this video. And again, you can make it nice and big. I'm very distracted. Or nice and small, and it's just a little bit of baseball in the background. Hopefully that gives you an idea of what this extension would be useful for, and if it's something you'd like to use, I hope you'll go ahead and install it. And if it's something you know would distract you, then I hope you won't, because I really don't want to ruin your productivity. I just want to bring a little bit of video watching flexibility to your life. Bye for now. Hopefully you'll see me in my next video.